Alright, we're here in Mauritius Inlet, and we're doing some duck hunting this morning.
Yes, sir.
I'm here with Mike Squayo and his brother, Nick. Say what's up, guys?
What's up, man?
He's got his boat all decked out. It's hard to see right now, but we'll get some video of it later. We have our decoys set up in the back, and we're gonna be ready to shoot. Hopefully we're
We got 5 minutes.
less than 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So we'll see how we do. All right, we got a duck that flew into our decoys right there. Now we hear some geese in the background too. Oh, there's geese. See the geese?
Where? Oh shit, that's a lot.
There's a lot of them that are going out there.
I can call them over here if you want.
Try calling.
Huh?
Try calling. Make sure we don't lose that. Yeah, there's a whole flock of them. Nick, keep an eye on that bufflehead, alright? There you guys are. Come on, let's take them out. Nick, your job is to keep an eye on that bufflehead. If it flies, shoot it.
I can't get the fucking...
We got 4 ducks landed and our decoy spread.
I think we should stand up. Ready?
Alright, hold on. I want to get. Alright, go ahead. They didn't fly away.
They moved away.
Look at you guys already. They're not even moving. Look at this. All ready to go.
Roll female. You move over.
Oh, let them hang out. We just added more to the decoys. If they stop flying, then you guys should start shooting.
I wish we had a route. Probably find something on the boat.
I'm trying to see.
It's almost worth throwing a shotgun round at them.
Yeah, there is a little white on their
Shooting.
head.
What about shooting and then pump again?
There is a little white on their head.
Yeah, but there's a female.
Yeah.
And they got a little white. We're gonna stare at them. There's like 6 flocks of ducks coming.
Let's see if we can get a bit closer. Professional caller here.
Yeah. Oh, coming in.
Right here. Let you guys shoot. Oh, it's a male too. Where is he?
Over there.
Yep, got him.
I had him dead to right. I didn't see him until the end when you landed.
Is it a male or female?
Another fucking female? No, it looked like a male.
This is a PG movie. Female.
Oh, dude. I think that's a hooded merganser. It's a real nice bird.
Looks like the same as the other ones.
No, it's not. Call. Yeah.
See, it was my calling, dude.
Yeah.
Right there. Shoot it.
No, it's right over.
No, see, I told you.
You had that, Nick. You gotta be quick.
They're all the same as the other ones.
They're all the same, yeah. It's a flock. They're going in a line now. those are all females.
Yeah. There's a boat going out.
Maybe they'll get off on the boat.
Just get ready.
Shoot. Can't shoot if he's coming
Oh,
that way. You know what I'm saying?
yeah. I guess they like our decoy spread.
Yeah. Think so? I'd say they work.
Come on. You guys gonna shoot here or what? Huh, Mikey? You guys gonna shoot or what?
It's like shooting ducks in a pond.
These guys can't even do this. Do I have to go and show them how it's done? I was even gonna let these guys just shoot first.
It's kind of hard when they're just sitting there.
Let's see.
He might kick up more birds this way, so we got to keep an eye out.
All right.
Nick, you keep an eye out on those birds. That's your responsibility.
All right.
Just fucking.
All right. Next show is a duck.
That's the Macanza.
Turn
Dripping
around.
all over John's bag.
Oh, great. Now you, all my blood all over it.
That's his water. And then that thing locked in.
Yeah.
Here's the buffalo head. I got blood all over my freaking gloves now.
That's all right. So, let's see the back. See the colors? See the head? Hey, little ducky. I think you're having a bad day.
Yeah. There's another duck right there. I could have got
Right there, right there. Shoot him. Nothing, dude?
far.
Oh, come on. What kind of stuff is that? Oh, here one coming back. Look, they're right there. They're coming back. See them?
They're landing over there.
Oh, right there. Two. One's landing.
Let me put a third round in. Oh, you shot one.
Yeah, no, you dropped one.
Drop one.
Yep. Drop one. I had my safety on.
He's coming back.
Yeah. No, he's going away.
No, he's turning. He's turning.
No, he's going away.
Turning. He's coming back.
All right. Yep.
Why would he?
Get up.
Jammed again? I got it.
Fucking camera was caught in the water. That one is stuck.
Grab 2 more rounds, please.